Yes, hello students. Now the exams season is coming. We have to do something different. We have to do revision. Some students ask from me, sir, you make it one revision video. So for those students who are not able to connect me directly, I am making one video for them how to revise arithmetic progression. Again, in a very short interval, we can complete it. Now you join with me. Come on. This is chapter number 5 of class 10th. Revision of AP. AP is your what? Arithmetic progression. What is the general term of AP? General term of AP is, yes, first term A, then A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Here A is your first term and D is what? D is your common difference. Then come on the second point to find the nth term. How to get nth term? What is the formula? Formula is your an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Okay, again a is the first term, n is number of terms, and d is what? Common difference. Okay, then to find the last term, how to get the last term? For getting the last term, we have the same formula. L is equal to what? A plus n minus 1d. Again, what is L? L is your last term, A is first term, n is number of terms, and d is what? Common difference. Sometimes we have to do sum of n terms when d is given to you. Okay, sum of n terms, it means we have to find Sn. Sn is what? N upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Students, formulas are very important for examination point of view. When you know the formula, then you have to put directly the values. First you have to choose the whatever is given in the question, and then directly you have to put the values in the formula, and then after simplification you can get answer easily. So see this very carefully. Now to find the sum of n terms when L is given to you. What do you mean by L? L is your last term. Last term is given to you and L is your last term, no? Then Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. Okay, again n is number of terms, a is first term, L is your last term. Okay, whenever you have given Sn and you have to find an, then the formula is very important one, Sn minus 1. Okay, an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. This is one of important formula here. Now see here, again I am telling to you, an is equal to Sn minus 1. This is very important one. Come on the next one. To find the sum of n terms when the first term is given to you 1. Okay, first term given to you 1, then what will be Sn? This is n into n plus 1 upon 2. I am explaining you this one with help of example. If I have to add to find the sum, from 1 to 100. Okay, here n is your 100. And what will be the formula? Formula will be this only. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. N is 100 into 100 plus 1 upon 2. 100 upon 2 is your 50. Okay, into 101 upon 2. Then what will be the answer? 5050. This is your answer. Yes, come on the next question. We have to find the term from back of the AP. You have given the last term. Then what is the direct formula? This is L minus n minus 1d. Okay, you can get any term from the back with the help of this formula. Now we are doing one example with on the basis of this formula to find 18th term from the last term of AP. AP is given to you 4, 8, 12, 400. This is given to you. Now what informations are given to you? Just you see. A is given to you 4, and which term you have to find? 18th term. It means n is equal to 18 and last term is what? 400. Okay, what is our formula? L minus n minus 1 D. So what is L? This is 400 minus. What is n? N is 18 minus 1. What is D? D is 4. So 400 minus, this is 17 into 4. Okay, so 400 minus 68, 17 4s are 68. Now 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3 and 3 is here. 332 is your answer. Come on the next question. If A is 10, D is 5, write first 3 terms. What is the general term that we know? A plus D, A plus 2D. These are the general terms. First term is what? 10. This is then 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. Then 10 plus 2 into 5. What we can write? 10 plus 10. It is 20. Then what is the answer? This is 10, 15 and 20. These are the first 3 terms. Come on the next question. If we have given a negative, then no problem on it. See, again same a plus d and a plus 2d. What is a? This is 10. Then a plus d. D is what? 2. Minus 10 plus 2. A is your minus 10. Then minus 10 plus 2. Then minus 10 plus 2d. 2d means what? 2 into 2. So minus 10 plus 2 is 8. And here minus 10 plus 4. This will be your minus 6. And one more is minus 10 plus 3d. It means minus 10 plus 6. This will be minus 4. Now 4 terms we got it here. Minus 10, minus 8, minus 6 and minus 4. One more question is here. Now you have given D is negative this time. So there is no problem. Again A is 20. A plus D. A plus D. D is your negative here. Okay. Then A plus, only 2 terms we want. I am finding 3 terms for you. Okay. I am finding 3 terms for you. Okay. On place of 2 I am writing finding 3 terms for you. Okay. This is 20. Then 20 minus 3 is what? 17. Then 20 minus 6. 20 minus 6 is 14. 3 to the 6 is 14. Okay. Then come on the next question. AP is given to you minus 15, minus 12, minus 9. You have to find A and D. A is clear, no? First term is your A. A is your minus 15. And D is what? Second term minus first term. First term is what? Minus 15. Second term is minus 12. So minus 12 minus minus plus 15. This is 3. Okay. One more we are doing here. Same question. Directly you can do directly. See, A is clearly in this question minus 8, minus 4, 0, 4, 8. You have to find A and D. A is what? A is what here? Minus 8. And D is what? D is second term minus first term. Second term is minus 4. Minus already. And first term is minus 8. Then what will come? Minus 4 plus 8. This will be 4. So A is your minus 8. D is your 4. This is your answer. Yes, come on next question. Write the next 2 terms. See, terms are given in like this: under root 3, root 12, root 27, root 48, root 75. You have to find value of A and B. So what you see, it is given in AP or not. First question is this only. Let me see. Can I write root 3 is okay? That is 4 threes are 12, no? 4 threes are 12. Then 9 threes are 27. Then 16 threes are 48. Then 25 threes are 75. Okay, now I'm getting one sequence here. This is root 3. This is what? If I take out root 4 outside, this will be 2 root 3. This will be 3 root 3. This will be 4 root 3. This will be 5 root 3. Now what will be the next two terms? This is your 6 root 3 and 7 root 3. So A will be 6 root 3 and B will be 7 root 3, like this. Okay, come on, similar question. Once again we are doing the next one. See question number 16. We have to find next two terms of root 5, root 20, root 45, like this. So root 5 is this. So 20 is there, no? I can write 4 5s are 20. Then 9 5s are 45. Okay. Then let me see what is the sequence. Root 5, if under root 4 if I take out, then what will be? This is 2 root 5, isn't it? This is your 3 root 5. Then what will be the next two terms? After 3 root 5, what will come? 4 root 5, then 5 root 5. This is your A and this is your B. Okay, come on next question. Find the 35th term of this AP. One thing is given clearly, no? 18, 15, 12, this AP is given to you. This is one AP is given to you. A is 18. D is what? D is your second term minus first term. What is the second term? 15 minus 18. This is minus 3. Okay. Then after, you have to, n is also find. N is given to you. Very good. N is given to you 35. You have to find an. An is what? A plus n minus 1d. N is 35, no? I have to find 35th terms. So A value is what? 18, no? This is 18 plus 35 minus 1. D is what? Minus 3. Okay, 18 plus, this is 34 and here is minus 3. 18 plus minus minus. 4 3s are 12, 1, 3 3s are 9 and 1, 10. Okay, so greater number is what? Minus sign will come. Okay, then from 102 we have to subtract 18. Okay, then what will come? What will come? Tell me. This is your 84. Okay, minus 84. This is your answer. Yes, the next. Which term of AP 2, 7, 12 dash is 97? A is given 2. D is your 7 minus 2 is 5. And what is AN is given to you? 97. And you have to find number of terms. Formula will be the same, no? What is the formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. AN is 97. A is 2. N minus 1. D is what? 5. Then write 5 here. 97 minus 2. This is 95. N minus 1. This. Then 95 upon 5 is equal to N minus 1. Okay. Then what will come? This is 19. 19 5s are 95 is equal to N minus 1. Then 19 plus 1. Then N. 20 is equal to N. This is your answer. Okay. Like this way you can do very fast and accurate. It is very easy chapter, that is arithmetic progression. Come on the next question. This is again very simple one, but they are asking this question in a different way. If the nth term of AP is 5n minus 2, find its first term, common difference and 19th term. First of all, you have to find AP. Nth term is given to you, an is given to you, an is given to you what? 5n minus 2. Then put n is equal to 1. If I have to find a1, no? If n is equal to 1, then 5 into 1, 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, n is equal to 2, a2 will be what? 5 into 2, 10, 10 minus 2, 8. a3 is what? 5 into 3, 15, 15 minus 2, 13. One more you can get. a4 is equal to 5 4s are 20, 20 minus 2, 20 minus 2, 18. Okay, now your AP is 3, 8, 13 and then 18. This. Now what is the first question? First term you have to find out the first term, that is A. A is your 3. What is common difference? D. Second term minus first term is our common difference, no? So second term is 8 minus first term is 3. This is 5. Okay, then you have to find 19th term. It means A19. A19, again we will use that formula, no? An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. So A19 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1D. Then what will be A? What can we write? 19 minus 1 we write 18. A plus 18D. So what is A? A is here 3 plus 18 into 5. So what will be 3 plus 18 5s are 90, isn't it? 90. And what is your last answer? 90 plus 3, 93. This is the answer. Then all three answers we have. First answer is this, second is this and third is this. Okay. Yes. The next question is, which term of AP 3, 15, 27 dash 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 will be 120 more than its 21st term? You have to find n. Okay. Which term of AP you have to find an? That is 120 more than its 21st term. It means an is equal to, it is 21st term. From 21st term, how much more than? It is 120 more than. Okay. This AP an is equal to, it is 120 more than its 21st term. Okay. What is A? A is clearly 3. What is D? D is what? See, 15 minus 3. This is 12. And you have to find n. N is here. What is an? A plus n minus 1 into D. And what is A21? Directly we can write A plus 20D. Clear? Then 120 is here. And this from where I have written? This is by question. Okay. This is the solution of it. Now, you can cut A to A directly, no? There is no role of A. N minus 1. D is what? 5. Here 20 into 5 plus 120. This is your 100, no? 25s are 100 and this is 120. And this 5 I am dividing it 5. This is n minus 1. Okay. This is 220 upon 5. Then what will be 220? 5 4s are 20 and again 5 4s are 20. Then what will be n? 44 and send 1 this side. 44 plus 1 45 and this is your answer. Come on next question. Next question is the sum of 4th and 8th term of AP is 24. It means sum of 4th and 8th term means A4 plus A8 is given to you 24. Okay, whatever is given in the question, accordingly you write it. Then you can get easily. Then after, what is the second step? The sum of its 6th and 10th term. 6th and 10th term means A6 plus A10. It is given to you 44. And what you have to do? Find the first three terms of AP. A4 means what? A plus 3D, isn't it? Okay. And what will be A8? I can write A plus 7D. This is 24. So A plus A is what? 2A. And 7D plus 3D. This is your 10D. It is 24. So what to do? You can get to take out 2 common. Okay. So A plus 5D is equal to 24. So A plus 5D is equal to 12. 24 upon 2 is 12. This is first equation. Now come on in the second situation. What is given to you? A6. A6 means A plus 5D. And A10, what will be, you think it? What I have to write here, think. This should be A plus 9D. Then this is your 44. Then again 2A plus 9 plus 5, 14D is equal to 44. Okay, you can take out 2. A plus 7D is equal to 44. If you don't take out 2, then also you can get it. Okay, then A plus 7D is equal to 44 upon 2 is 22. This is equation number 2. Then by solving 1 and 2, by elimination method, A plus 70 is equal to 22 and A plus 5D is equal to 12 on subtracting. So what will be? 2D. This is 10. D will be what? 10 upon 2 is 5. If D is 5, then by first put D5 here. A plus 5 into 5 is 25 is equal to 12. Then 12 minus 25, this should be minus 13. Now A I have, and D is D is your 5 and A is minus 13. What you have to find out? Find the first three terms of AP. What will be A plus D and A plus 2D. These are the first three terms. Clear? Then what is A? A is your minus 13. Then minus 13 plus 5 and minus 13 plus 2 into 5. This should be minus 13. This should be your minus 8. And what will be? Minus 13 plus 10. This is minus 3. And this is your answer. Okay. Like this way you can solve these questions very easily. One more question I'm explaining to you here. One easy question is, what is given? The fourth term and the 10th term of AP are 13 and 25. Find its 17th term. The fourth term means what? A4 is given to you 13. And 10th term is A10 is given to you 25. Then what to do? You have to find A17. This only you have to find out. Fourth term is what? A plus 3D. Can I write like this? And 10th term A plus 9D with help of which formula? With help of A plus n minus 1D. Then simplify this by your elimination method. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2. A plus 3D is equal to 13. Then simplify. Okay. How can you simplify? Just you see. A to A cut. 9 minus 3 is what? 9 minus 3 is 6. This is 6D. Then this is 12. 12 upon 6, D is equal to 2. Put D is equal to 2 in first equation. By first equation, A plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 13. So what will be A? 13 minus 6. Then A is equal to 7. What you have to find? You have to find A17. A17 means what? A plus 16D. isn't it? Like this way you can get, no? A is what? A is clearly 7. Okay, then 16 into D is what? D is 2. Then 7 plus 16 twos are 32. 32 plus 7 is 39.